Don't aw me, I'm a gangster. Cat starting life again after divorce. Lieutenant Dan, you got new legs. Orange cats are something special. No, I haven't seen your LSD. Have you seen the dragons in the kitchen? There's no need to repeat yourself, human. I ignored you just fine the first time. In a bit of a pickle. When your human tries to convince you there are no treats left. Not sure if my cat likes his new toy. You are sad. Take this. When your human won't feed you for the 42nd time today. Me whenever I'm out and I see a cat. How did you find your religion? Egyptians. That's one fucking nice kitty right there.